Well, howdy everybody. My name is Cooter Pickleberry. This is Florida Man Cooking, and today we are going to make a root beer float pie. This is a root beer float pie. You can do it with grape soda, orange soda, Coca-Cola, whatever you want to use. Root beer's kind of been my little kids' favorites. As they get older, I think it's beer, but at the age that Cooter Jr., or Trip is at, he pretty much likes root beer. And this tastes just like a root beer float. It's easy to make, no special equipment required except the freezer. Um, it doesn't get any easier than this. So let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of root beer. And the recipe will all be in the description below if you want to get a look. The root beer, a little root beer extract. This isn't required. It just adds a little bit more root beer flavor with a little less liquid. That's what it looks like. You can get it, there's different varieties, but you can get this mail order. Sometimes I think Trader Joe's have it. Most of your local brew houses, the place that'll sell you beer making kits, they'll carry it. I got this from Amazon, I think, like next day, so no big deal. 1 pack of instant pudding, vanilla flavored. About a half cup of milk. And that's it for now. We're going to mix that up for about 2 minutes using a hand mixer. Okay, so you can see it got quite a bit thicker. We just kind of dissolved some of that pudding mix into the liquids. And now we are going to gently fold in 1 can of thawed Cool Whip. It's about 8 ounces. And gently is not usually my thing, but we'll give it a shot. So I've been making this particular recipe for about 15 years. It always goes over great with the kids. We tried it with orange crush and some other things. You can't necessarily find the concentrates for that or the extracts for that. It doesn't matter. It'll just be more subtle flavor. But with this stuff, it's as much flavor as you want to give it. If you want to add more extract, you can. If you want to add less extract, you can. If you want to have no extract, you can do that. It'll still taste like root beer, just a little bit more subtle. That's good stuff. Kids love it. It's a freezer dessert. So all that's going to happen now, we get done with this, we're going to stick it in a pre-prepared, purchased graham cracker crust, something that I abhor. I always make my own graham cracker crust. It's not hard. I just kind of ran out of time again. Time's the enemy. Right now I'm trying to get my crab traps in. Had a bunch of stuff done. We're still kind of recovering from the hurricanes last summer that kind of whacked us. And there's been a whole mess of stuff going on with that. So anyway, long story short, this is a quick, easy dessert. It takes less than 5 minutes to make it. It's got to sit in the freezer, I would think, for probably, a good solid 6 hours to get it nice and frozen. And then throw a little whipped cream on the top when you're done. I'm going to do that out of a can today, which is something I also never do. I always make my own whipped cream, but I'm being lazy. And then a couple of maraschino cherries, and you're all set. So the pie crust looks like one of these things. And you wouldn't even have to use graham cracker. You could use whatever you want, but the traditional is a graham cracker, and that's what we're using today. But like I said, I certainly prefer homemade graham cracker crust. We just dump that in. It's got a nice little color to it. And we'll sneak a taste here as we clean this spatula off. I'll just kind of smooth that out just a little bit. I think I got an extra big pie crust. This is for a 9-inch crust, and this is a 10-inch crust, so it's not quite taking up as much room as I'd hoped. But I don't have any more pudding mix, so we're just going to call this good. And of course, since nobody else is home right now, I get to lick it. It's pretty good stuff, man. All right, we'll see you back after dinner. We're going to give Trip some of that. The other boys, of course, are grown up and don't live here anymore, but they might stop by and steal a slice of pie from me. You never know. See you back in a few hours. Take care. All right, so it's been a day since we made the pie, and we haven't eaten it yet. And now we're going to eat the root beer float pie. What do you think, Cooter Jr.?
I am very excited.
He likes his pie. So let's eat it. So how big of a piece do you want, Junior? that good?
Yeah.
Pick it. Which one? Don't eat yet. Fat Daddy needs a pie too. Fork for you. Eat it up, Bubba.
So good.
You like it? What's it taste like?
Root beer pie.
Root beer float, baby. That's pretty darn good.
Thank you, Cooter.
You're welcome, Cooter Jr. So that's it. Thanks for joining us. God bless. Hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.